Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Me pede mama NDC mrenche na mabawa.
Why then?
What I say there? You are the only witness when it comes to my coming to Kokoko program. Na meji tumusu there awo na wo production team no wo botu ma stop from coming to this program.
Adaba Simesi.
Na mentioning him about one be they are feeding them with some kind of information. Yeah, we feed the NDC no mobile radio programs and TV programs. And see, we too much shahoba when I make suggestions. Me cancer man no was shahoba on social media. But I quite remember something. The one time. Okuche to Abrakwa Omanibo Ama Felix Kwachofosu. They went to Professor Amos to tell Professor Amos there only Aminfi radio do. When Sam Okuche to Abrakwa was then the chairman for NDC communication team. Today I'm telling you something. Wakache Prof we na wopu ina Prof from. No gacha on there. Ngovi abagache ende wonyimifi Peace FM. Na makache one there me yet.
Na ada problem zo ba
ha asema mreba untina makaban okodu baby nusu in painful bi woko prof no 11 o'clock in the night to tell prof the onyimifi radio no mbodi but they know themselves
na mbodi na identity brand sense the bodi
nje inimti woko prof but painful di I sometimes monkeys play by sizes nti painful di woko hon Wokoba mane there when you mean ECG board do no when you mean Peace FM professor on yet and today I want them to know
ECG na Africa
mama kacho because obidi adibi aba there your moment in embo yes yeah nzalote no jenim no hoye. Look, I criticize the party when the party is going wrong. The very people who were behind Koku and Yudoho in creating a problem between Koku and Yudoho and the then vice president John Mahama. Today they are surrounding John Mahama. No,
minim na me say minefield. I haven't said you are lying.
Until now, I am here there. I am a cancer man. One task, but in na yesomina yenyim. Kwame, I want them to know the Yenjim.
So then?
The leadership of Warrior Agenda 2024. The moon demonstration where you on voters registration. Oh, yeah, Hanya.
Hanya.
Mama Gacho. It's one way of undermining President John Mahama.
Why would that
he
undermine?
Doesn't see it.
Why would that undermine?
Oh, I mean, sometimes, listen. All to say, and some people catch him in the face. If in 2015, 2016, and someone became one for Oyaho. Now, I am a woman. What you want, command, when you put the other when you the tank of Fechi. Sometimes people believe there. My destiny lies in the hands of a party, not of God.
Alotina, it's a internal NDC matter.
And why you sort whatever Facebook and any account about to read? And people read it on Facebook, on Instagram, on social media. And someone will be in some people will read because they are not telling the people the truth.
Which is?
Say NDC full soldiers one sword. They will be gnashing their teeth.
Because
people have agenda 2024. You won't go for what to cast now. This issue won't fear worry trend. Now, sir, 20 elections in the back. Now, yeah, my NDC.
Oh, yeah.
Now, 2024. You see them coming out. You just watch it.
But people need to plan.
I mean, the one I see it, maybe Yankopon mo zo bo mi yo mama nyo bo hu mama so beti manu baka
wano kawano pado kakra
manu baka. It got to a point I came on this your studio I don't think that fitting panu na will win the elections. What we was army ma to na NDC ama Kennedy Agyapong
no kwa
oya no go Kennedy Agyapong na ye bitter enemies. But one day, oye bibi momuhuni. I'm saying, no, this man is different. He has one character. But the man is a human being. He's humane. No, me pay answer. Me pay this assembly. There, wobo to mo go to ama DCE and MCE for Asinfosu. Politics in government. I went to Bute. Then the chairman, Bute, Abenti Oyemi ba. Na won so no wo control assembly wo beye den na wa boam na mi mpe ya mama president mama choose ni wo betum abeye MC oye Dr. Kofi Blankson bisa Kofi Blankson oni pa sopo na mu Bute na Bute so o she mu hu Ken Butuma sponsor bibia if you only you can reconcile with Ken. Now so I don't mind reconciling with Ken. And I reconcile with Ken o twe bibia may even only 100% for assembly. And you say I should go and insult that person. And then in TV and radio don't mention Aruba. And then there Koku, me Koku Yamamu, Brabo Minya, Momata, ne Koku Casa Mamisha Kokuaba.
Ebi anyene you mention Aruba.
No. That the kind of politics here or Ghana and it is like full of insults.
91 why? One politicians.
Well, see, there is the need for a change. Until me pedem mukashawo. There, my coming on radio as in, or your end is even what delegate to Mama.
But what if they decide? The chair was I decided that Mankasama will be.
No, until Mankasamo. If you much radio do na subject as mahini muko into it, dito me present my submission. Was it there? I'm fighting against former President John Mahama. But
I thought you said you supported.
Lastly, Inyuma, recently before flag bearership, Mwawane was not, CCI was not chairman, or a big or from. And the chairman in a mobilized the regional chairman Funyani Shane, Yen Tumu, Yen share President John Mahama Kutupa nonsense contest view. I'm reminding you about something. If you okay, FM, we then the general secretary. We went to meet out of 10, 8, near Gesha Awasu, or your big do Nifi and new hotel. Your sponsorship, impossible saying Kofi Amabua.
MP
Kofi Amabua, no sponsor yen. There about our four near ATT, who were 8. And I sat down 3 hours convincing my fellow chairman that there's a need to bring President John Mahama back. President John Mahama was in office for cantonments. Oh yeah, what's there? Yeah, you collect 100,000 cedis each.
Hey,
Yangupona only a mobile.
Then
the general secretary comes out with a statement on OKF. Then you contest elections. Ni you may able lose sunti. Na ya shada you support to John Mahama. Do you know the import of that message? Do you know the import of that message? Then last minute you're going to contest in the secretary, then you go and support John Mahama. Look, when you create a maze of confusion, it will lead you to a labyrinth that has no exit.
Hey,
a maze elaborate.
When you create a maze of confusion, it leads you into a labyrinth where there's no exit.
Correct one.
It's a matter mean. Nah,
educated fisherman.
A maze of confusion. It will lead you to a labyrinth where there is no exit.
Teacher Kamla.
And the funny, mu coronavirus.
A lot.
Yeah.
To lead you to elaborate where there's no
agenda. You book agenda.
Brockman.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet Taki.